How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with Speed Tech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our Features720P TIR. When you get your light bar out of the box, you'll see that you get your light bar with your connection cables. Then you'll notice on your cable harness here that you have your SIG plug for power, which you can easily plug into your cigarette lighter port, or you can cut off and hardwire for power as well. And then you'll see that you have your grand control connector here, and this is to be used with our optional grand control that you'll see in the drop-down menu. And again, you can cut and hardwire this if you'd like to. Just make sure to check out the instruction manual for the wiring diagram. And then also you'll see your aux cable here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting off of your grand control. Now let's go over how to hook up your unit and go over the functions of your grand control. So today I'm going to be using my SIG plug for power, so I'm going to plug that into my cigarette lighter port, and I'll be using my grand control to control this unit. So I'll simply plug in the connector to the grand control, and then I have my power button here to activate my light bar, and then I have my pattern button here so I can go through the different flash patterns. I can find a flash pattern I'd like, and then you'll notice that you have memory recall on this unit. So when you turn your unit off and back on, it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those two modes off of your flash pattern button. And then you'll see here that you have your TD button, and this will control your 2 alley lights. So if you hit that button, you'll notice your alley lights will go to steady burn. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade for these modules to where when you activate that function, they will go steady burn white. And then when they are deactivated, they will go back to the warning color of your light bar. And these do operate independently whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then finally, you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your grand control. And that is a simple on-off switch there. Now I did bring an amber unit with me, but we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I have our standard red-blue unit, and then here I have our green-clear alternating unit. But again, we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. And we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool where you can map out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. When it comes to the housing of this light bar, you'll notice that the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll see underneath the light bar that you have extra drainage holes underneath each screw hole for even extra moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included magnetic feet here that are adjustable along the slide track on the bottom of your light bar. And then we also offer a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud bracket that these will use the existing hardware from the light bar feet and mount like so, and you'll use 2 of these for this unit. And then we also offer our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to, and then you can sandwich it on your headache rack if you need to as well. So that covers all of the features of our Features720P TIR. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.